Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we are working only on Shark TV's service menu access. Make sure the Shark TV is placed on a stable surface and powered off properly. Plug the Shark TV power cable firmly into a reliable wall outlet. Check that the Shark TV remote has working batteries installed. Turn on the Shark TV using the Shark TV remote power button. Wait until the Shark TV fully boots to the home screen. Pick up the Shark TV remote and keep it pointed at the Shark TV sensor. Press the menu button on the Shark TV remote once. Observe the Shark TV screen to confirm the normal menu appears. Exit the Shark TV menu using the return button. Now prepare to enter the Shark TV service menu carefully. Press the volume down button on the Shark TV side panel. While holding volume down, press the input button on the Shark TV panel. Release both buttons when the Shark TV screen changes. Look closely for the Shark TV service menu to appear. If the Shark TV service menu does not appear, power off the Shark TV. Wait 10 seconds before turning the Shark TV back on. Repeat the Shark TV button combination slowly and carefully. Avoid pressing random buttons inside the Shark TV service menu. Use the Shark TV remote navigation keys gently. Navigate the Shark TV service menu only to view settings. Do not change Shark TV calibration values unnecessarily. Check the Shark TV panel information section if needed. Review the Shark TV firmware version displayed on screen. Keep hands steady while navigating the Shark TV service menu. If unsure, exit the Shark TV service menu immediately. Press the power button to exit the Shark TV service menu safely. Allow the Shark TV to shut down completely. Restart the Shark TV normally after exiting the menu. Confirm the Shark TV boots without error messages. Check Shark TV display clarity after the restart. Listen for normal sound output from the Shark TV speakers. Open regular settings to ensure Shark TV functions correctly. Test volume controls on the Shark TV remote. Change inputs on the Shark TV to confirm responsiveness. Observe the Shark TV standby light behavior. If issues remain, avoid re-entering Shark TV service menu repeatedly. Power cycle the Shark TV by unplugging it safely. Wait 1 full minute before reconnecting the Shark TV power. Plug the Shark TV power cable back in firmly. Turn on the Shark TV and monitor startup behavior. Verify Shark TV logo appears normally on screen. Confirm Shark TV remote responds without delay. Avoid factory resets inside the Shark TV service menu. Keep Shark TV ventilation areas clear during testing. Handle Shark TV buttons gently to prevent damage. Repeat steps only if Shark TV shows no response. Stop troubleshooting if Shark TV behaves abnormally. Shark TV service menu access should now be complete. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, your Shark TV guide you can trust.